Welcome back to Dependable Concrete. Today we're in the heart of Germantown, Philadelphia, where my team and I tackled a project transforming this dilapidated wooden porch into a sturdy, beautiful concrete porch. And in this video, I will show you how we completed this project. As you can clearly see, this porch is a real eyesore and is dangerous. Rotting wood poses a safety hazard, and worse, it's allowing moisture to seep into the basement below, creating a damp, moldy environment. This isn't just an aesthetic issue, it's also affecting the entire health of this home. First, we stripped the porch to access the support beams, which will be used to support the new concrete. Lowering the beams by 4 3/4 inches allow for 3/4 inches of plywood decking and 4 inches of concrete. We need to reinforce the deck to support the weight of the wet concrete. We use rebar to reinforce and prevent the concrete porch from collapsing. The rebar is overlapped and securely anchored into the foundation walls. Since we at Dependable Concrete are equipped with our own concrete mixer, it allows us to tailor our concrete to our company's specifications. We are pouring 4,000 psi concrete with fiberglass to prevent cracking, and we've added calcium chloride to the mix to accelerate the drying time of the concrete mix in this cold winter day in Philly. We use a portable concrete vibrator to ensure the concrete is well casted within our formwork and around the rebar to maximize the strength of the concrete slab. For larger projects, we would use our concrete pump. However, given that it takes less than 30 minutes to transport the concrete from the street to the porch, we opted for our efficient bucket method. During the pouring and finishing process of this porch, we ensure the concrete is leveled across but slightly pitched forward to prevent water from pooling on the surface. Using a 2x4, our skilled employee is leveling and pitching the concrete surface. Because we are using a 4,000 psi concrete mix, the concrete has a higher content of cement, allowing us to trowel the surface to a very smooth finish and also allows our client to easily sweep and maintain their new concrete porch. Because of the accelerant we added to the mix, our client would not have long to be inconvenienced. They will be able to safely walk in their new concrete porch within 24 hours. This project is now complete. We have only some minor repairs and touch-ups remaining. Our client has replaced a deteriorating porch that was causing mold and cold air to infiltrate into their home. By upgrading to a safe and aesthetically pleasing new concrete porch, they've enhanced the value of their property. Moreover, they can expect a reduction in heating expenses. Now our client can fully enjoy relaxing on their new concrete porch. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay informed of our next video release. Thank you.